Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the world of lip care with a festive, limited edition treat. If you're looking for something to spice up your holiday beauty routine, the M.A.C Lips by Dozen Mini Powder Kiss Lipstick Ice 12 Holiday Kit might just be what you're after. This set brings together 12 mini-size shades of M.A.C's best-selling Powder Kiss lipstick, all wrapped up in a shiny, chrome bag, perfect for gifting or keeping for yourself. Let's break down the product. The kit includes 12 mini lipsticks, each featuring M.A.C's signature Powder Kiss formula, which promises a moisture matte finish. The texture is designed to feel cushiony on the lips, providing a comfortable, lightweight wear. This set also offers a versatile range of shades, from nudes to pinks, reds, and browns. Great for anyone looking to explore different looks or match a variety of skin tones. Plus, it's cruelty-free and paraben-free, meaning it's both a safe and ethical choice for beauty lovers. Now, let's talk about how these lipsticks actually perform. I've had the chance to try out the full range, and I'll be honest, the Powder Kiss formula lives up to the hype. The texture is soft and airy, offering that perfect balance between a matte finish and a comfortable wear. The shades are well pigmented and show up true to color, whether you're applying them straight from the tube or using a lip brush for a more precise look. I especially love how the formula doesn't dry out your lips, unlike many other matte lipsticks. The wear time is decent, lasting a few hours without needing a touch-up, though a few reapplications were necessary after meals. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. While the formula is comfortable, I did notice some of the darker shades tended to feather a bit around the edges, so a lip liner might be necessary if you're aiming for a sharp, clean look. Additionally, while the mini size is perfect for travel or gifting, it might feel a little small if you're used to full-size lipsticks. When it comes to pros and cons, here's the breakdown. Pros: the range of shades caters to a variety of preferences and skin tones. The Powder Kiss formula delivers a comfortable, lightweight wear with a matte finish. Cruelty-free and paraben-free, making it a responsible beauty choice. The mini sizes are great for travel or gifting, and the chrome bag is a nice added touch. Cons: some darker shades may feather around the edges without a lip liner. The mini sizes may feel small if you're used to full-size products. As for the value, the M.A.C Lips by Dozen kit definitely offers a good amount of variety and quality for its price, especially considering you're getting 12 shades from a high-end brand like M.A.C. However, if you're someone who prefers larger lipstick tubes, or if you're just looking for one go-to shade, you might not get as much out of the set. In terms of alternatives, there are plenty of other holiday kits on the market, but M.A.C's reputation for quality and range of shades sets this one apart. Other brands might offer similar sets, but they often lack the same luxurious feel or diverse color selection. Let's talk build quality. The lipsticks themselves are well made, with sturdy packaging that doesn't feel cheap despite the mini size. The shiny chrome bag is also reusable, which adds a nice touch for those looking for eco-friendly options or for a little something extra in their holiday stocking. I didn't have any personal interactions with customer support for this product, but M.A.C generally has a strong reputation for service, and their products are widely available through their website and major retailers. To wrap it up, the M.A.C Lips by Dozen Mini Powder Kiss Lipstick Holiday Kit offers an excellent range of shades, a comfortable formula, and a fun, festive packaging, making it a solid choice for those who love trying new lip looks. While the mini size might not suit everyone, it's a great option for gifting or those who prefer variety over full-size products. Overall, this kit is ideal for beauty enthusiasts looking to experiment with different matte lip shades during the holidays. Before we go, if this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review on Beautyistic. If you've tried the M.A.C Lips by Dozen kit, let me know your thoughts in the comments, or ask any questions you might have. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep your beauty fabulous with Beautyistic.